Okay. Last time, in the last class, we were going through the Shishupala Vadam. In our book, it's page number 11. And I think we actually did the first paragraph, correct? We did the first paragraph. If I,
कथा न महोदय.
yeah, it's a Shishupala Vadam Kavya Katha. In the Siksha text, Shishupala Vadam Kavya Katha. It's, I think, page number 11. The first episode, because we actually started off with the second episode and then we came back to the first. Naradasya Gamanam, that is the title. And let's see. I think we finished the first paragraph. We were supposed to start the second one. Okay. Pura Hiranya Kashipur Nama Daityo Lokan Pidati Sma. So you can begin, you can start reading that and we'll go through that.
11th page you told.
Page number 11.
पुरा हिरण्यकशिपुर्नाम पुरा हिरण्यकशिपुर्नाम दैत्यो लोकान् पीडयति स्म. From there.
Correct.
अखिलोऽपि लोकः तस्मात् भीतः. तदा भवान् नरसिंहावतारं गृहीत्वा तं राक्षसं नखैः चित्वा हतवान्. मृतः हिरण्यकशिपुः जन्मान्तरे रावणो जातः. पुनरपि जनान् मुनीन् च पीडयितुम् आरब्धवान्. भवानपि पुनः दशरथस्य पुत्रः श्रीरामो भूत्वा सीतापहारकं तं हतवान्. यथा लोके नटः अन्यं वेषं धृत्वा रङ्गभूमिम् आगच्छति तथा स राक्षसः इदानीं शिशुपाल इति नाम्ना उत्पन्नः. तस्य दौर्जन्यम् असहनीयम्. जनाः दुःखिताः सन्ति. पूर्वं यथा भवान् राक्षससंहारं कृत्वा लोकोपकारं कृतवान् तथा इदानीमपि शिशुपालस्य वधं करोतु इति इन्द्रसन्देशं नारदः श्रावितवान्. श्रीकृष्णः नारदस्य वचनं श्रुत्वा तथास्तु इत्यङ्गीकृतवान्. सन्तोषेण नारदमहर्षिः द्वारकानगरात् निवृत्तवान्.
Uttamam, Bhagini Uttamam. So let's go through the sentences, the meaning and the padacheda. Pura Hiranyakashipur Nama. So how do you split this sandhi? Hiranyakashipur Nama.
हिरण्यकशिपुः प्लस नाम विसर्गस्य रेफा.
विसर्गस्य उत्तमम्. पुरा हिरण्यकशिपुः नाम हिरण्यकशिपुर् नाम दैत्यो लोकान् पीडयति स्म. So what is the swarup of pidayati? The verb, how do you decline it? What is the padaswarupa mean? Lat lakara, you have to say, when I say padaswarupa, you have to say it's gender and it's a number, and if it's a verb, it's a purusha, or if it's a noun, you have to say the vibhakti.
पीड धातु न पीड धातु no.
Pidayati means to trouble. So peed dhatu.
Peed
धातु. लट्लकार प्रथम पुरुष एकवचनम.
Uttam. And so when pidayati sma, it becomes past tense, correct? When you add sma, it becomes past tense. So if you take pidayati sma, then if you want to say it in one word, what do you say?
अपीडयत्
Pidayat. Very good. Excellent. Uttamam. Astu. Akilopi. What is the sandhi?
अखिलः अपि
Akilopi. Purvarupa sandhi. Correct? Akilaha plus api, akilopi. It's Purvarupa sandhi. Whenever you have an avagraha chinna, it's a Purvarupa sandhi. Purvarupa. Purvarupa sandhi. Now, Pura Hiranyakashipur Nama, Daityo Lokan Pidayati Sma. Pura, in the past. Hiranyakashipu Nama, Hiranyakashipu, the name Nama, Daityaha. That means a Rakshasa, basically, a demon. By name Hiranyakashipu, Lokan Pidayati Sma. He was troubling the world. Lokan means he was troubling the world around him. Then Akilopi Lokaha Tasmat Bitaha. So Akilopi, Akilaha plus Api, Akilopi, Purvarupa Sandhi, Lokaha Tasmat Bitaha. Okay. So what is the Padaswarup of Tasmat?
तत्
Tasmat, what is the Padaswarupa? Padaswarupa means you have to say, if it is a noun, you have to say the Pratipadika, that is the stem. Then you have to say what is the gender, Pullinga, Napumsakalinga, Strilinga. Then the number, Ekavachana, Dvivachana, Bahuvachana. Then Vibhakti, what Vibhakti it is. If it is a noun or an adjective. If it is a verb, then you have to say what gender it is, what number it is, and what Purusha it is, and what Lakara it is. Okay?
This Pratipadik, this
Tasma.
Dakaranta Pullinga, Tad Shabda, Panchami Vibhakti, Ekavachana, Tasmat.
Uttamam, Uttamam Bhagini. So what is the full, can you give the full Panchami Vibhakti, Ekavachana, Dvivachana, Bahuvachana?
Tasmat,
तस्मात्
Tasmat, Tabhyam,
Tebhya.
तेभ्यः
Saha taute, tam tautan, te tabhyam tahi, tasmai tabhyam tebhya, tasmat tabhyam tebhya. Uttamam, Uttamam.
Tasya
Bitaha.
Tayoh, Tasam,
तस्मात् ताभ्यां तेभ्यः तस्य तयोः तेषां तस्मिन् तयोः तेषु
Tasmin Tayoh Teshu.
because it's pulling dakaranta, right? So the tad shabda. Now, what is the padaswarupa for bitah?
Ta Pratyayah.
The pratyaya, correct. The pratyaya, that is correct, bitah. And then it's what krudanta is it? It's a krudanta. What krudanta it is?
Krut Pratyaya.
Krit pratyaya. Bhuta krudanta or
Ta Pratyaya.
tha pratyaya, correct.
Bhutakala Suchayati.
Bhutakala Suchayati. So you have to say it's called Bhuta Krudanta Tap Pratyaya.
Bhuta Krudanta. Okay.
So Akilopi Lokaha Tasmat Bitaha. Akilopi Lokaha means Akilaha Api. The entire universe was afraid of him. Lokaha means the universe. Tasmat by him. Bitaha was, he was a terror. So people were afraid of him. Tada Bhavan Narasimhavataram Gruhitva Tam Rakshasam Nakaihi Chitva Hatavan. Tada Bhavan Narasimhavataram Gruhitva Tam Rakshasam Nakaihi Chitva Hatavan. Okay. So what is the Padaswarup? Can you split? What is the Padaswarup of our Bhavan?
Takaranta Pullinga
नकारान्त
Bhavat Shabda.
Bhavat Shabda. Correct.
Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam Bhavan.
Bhavan. And how does the whole Pratama Bhakti run? Bhavan.
Bhavan Bhavanto Bhavantaha.
Bhavantaha. Uttama Bhagini. So it is Takaranta.
प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचन.
Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachana. Now, Tada. What is the Padaswarupa? What is Tada?
अव्यय.
Yes, Tada is Avyaya. Correct.
Okay.
It is an Avyaya. And Narasimha Avataram. Narasimha Avataram. So please split this.
नरसिंह प्लस अवतार.
What sandhi is it? Narasimha.
Savarna Dirgha.
Hmm?
Savarna Dirgha Sandhi.
Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. Narasimha plus Avataram, Narasimha Avataram. So it's Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. Gruhitva. What is the Padaswarupa for Gruhitva?
त्वा
Tva Pratyayanta.
प्रत्यय.
It's Tva Pratyayanta.
गम
Gruh
धातु.
Dhatu.
Go ahead.
Which Dhatu?
Is it gam धातु?
No.
Gruhitva. No, it's not Gam.
Gruh Dhatu.
Gruh Dhatu. Gruhitva, to take. Okay? Gruhitva.
If it is gru धातु, doesn't mean as home.
No. That is different. That is Gruham. This is Gruhitva. This is Gruhitva is to after having taken. Gruhitva. Tam Rakshasam Nakaihi. Tam. What is the Padaswarupa for Tam?
Takaranta Pullinga Tad Shabda. Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachana.
Uttam.
Tam Tautan. Tam Tautan.
Tam Tautan. So Dutiyavati Ekavachana. Very good. Rakshasam Nakaihi Chitva. Nakaihi. What is the Padaswarupa for Nakaihi?
तृतीया विभक्ति बहुवचन.
Bahuvachan. Correct. Nakaha. So Nakaha means
Nails.
It's a hand nail. Okay. Nakaihi. That means using his nails. So the meaning of this is Tada Bhavan Narasimhavataram Gruhitva Tam Rakshasam Nakaihi Chitva Hatavan. That means the Lord took the avatar of Narasimha and then killed the Rakshasa, that is Hiranyakashipu, using his nails. That is the meaning of that. Tada Bhavan Narasimha Avataram Gruhitva Tam Rakshasam Nakaihi Chitva Hatavan. So what is the Padaswara for Hatavan?
Tavatu Pratyaya.
Tavatu Pratyaya, correct. Hatavan. Bhuta Krudanta. All right. So now if it was classic Lang Lakara, what would it be? Hatavan is a Bhuta Krudanta, Krit Pratyaya, Tavatu. Suppose if you do the classic Lang.
Aharat.
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 Yes. Correct.
Aharat means
Harat, is it? I'm not sure. Harat or see he
Aharat
killed.
means is stealing, no? Aharat.
Yeah, Aharat stealing, I thought it was. Maybe I was.
Aharan.
So what is the classic Lang for this? Hatavan is the Bhuta Krudanta, Tavatu Pratyaya. But if you have to say it in classic Lang Lakara, what would it be?
Apatatraga. Ahat.
Harati, Harataha, Haranti. Haraha means to kill, right?
Aharat.
So Bhagini just said Aharat meaning it's something else. Please look it up. Look it up. Look at the dictionary.
Another device.
Hatavan means he killed, right? So that is the Bhuta Krudanta. That is Tavatu Pratyaya. Suppose if we have to say in the pure Lang Lakara, that means we have to add a prefix A. Then what will it be? What will that word be instead of Hatavan? Can you please look it up? One of you? Killed. You can just type in killed. If you have your internet on, look up at it. You can look at the word. You just type in killed. It will tell you. Because in one of the exams they have given they have given Hatavan. It will similar to this, and they will ask you to write the classical Lang Lakara for that.
Killed. Killed.
Simha shasham hanishyati.
Anishyati is to kill. That means he will kill. Right?
Vadam
Ah,
vadam karoti kill.
vadam karoti. Correct.
Hanti is there. Hanti.
Ah,
Handat.
handat.
Hanti.
Ah,
Han.
han. So what will be the classic lang lakara for that? Please make a note of it. We can come back to that. Okay. So the meaning of this is Tada Bhavan Narsimhavataram Gruhitva Tam Rakshasam Nakaihi Chitva. Chitva means he tore him apart. To tear. Chitva is to tear apart. Hatavan. Mrutaha Hiranya Kashipuhu Janmantare Ravano Jataha.
Ahantaha is there. Ahantaha can be right because Hanti is there. Hanti.
Ah. Hanti is a, so how do you decline it? Give the full form of Hanti.
Marayati, Mara.
Hataha. No,
Something.
Hanti I don't know.
Ah.
It's another this no.
Yeah, Hanti is something. So Aha
Another gana.
Hanti, see Hantaha is see Hanta. So I will look it up. We'll just please put a question mark there.
Vad can we frame? Vad.
Ah. Vad means to kill, right? Then what will be the past tense of it?
Abad. Avadat. No.
Vad
Avadat.
also, see, Vad means it's a Mahapranada. Vad. That is big da, not a small da. Because small da becomes Vad means it's to speak.
Okay.
Vadati, Vadataha, Vadanti. Avadat means having spoken, correct? So this
Yeah.
Vad is the Mahaprana, big da. Okay.
Okay.
Now, how do you decline it? Is it Atmanepadi or Parasmaipadi? Vad. Vad dhatu.
It is Avadat. I think it will be like that.
How do you decline it? Vad dhatu is like the one.
Vadati vadataha.
Vadati, Vadataha, Vadanti.
No, the vadati, can you use the same thing for both? See, vadati is to speak. Vad dhatu,
Yes.
right? That is small da. Va, da,
Small
small da.
da.
So big da is vad. That is to kill. Right?
Big.
Then whether it's what Atmani or let or Parasmaipadi, how do you decline it? Vadhati, vadatha, vadanti, will it become like that?
Mhm.
No, na?
No.
So please underline this and this will be your homework. You have to please submit your answer. What is the question is for Hatavan, what is the classical lang lakara of Hatavan?
Marayati, Amarayat.
Amarayat. You can, Marayati is to actually, Tadayati is to beat. Yeah, Marayat is to kill. Amarayat. Amarayat. Okay. So Hatavan.
Mahodaya, Hanti hataha granti. I got from Ashtadhyayi I open. In that lang lakara not given. Is given ahan.
Ahan.
Ahatam agran.
So
Ahan ahatam ahata. Ahanam ahanva ahanma.
Ahanma, correct. So now read this sentence with the
Ahan is
consonant.
there, Mahodaya.
Ahan, right? Ahan,
For
right?
Hatavan, ahan.
Chitva ahan.
Lang lakara.
Right? So it becomes Tada Bhavan.
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Tada Bhavan Narasimhavataram Gruhitva Tam Rakshasam Nakaihi
No?
Chitva ahan.
No, some some
Can you hear me now?
voice is breaking for
Can you
me.
hear me now?
Yes, it's clear.
It's clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So you heard me, right? I reread the sentence with using the past tense ahan, classic lang. तदा भवान्
चित्वा अहन्,
चित्वा अहन्, correct,
right?
correct, चित्वा अहन्. Now next sentence, मृतः हिरण्यकशिपुः जन्मान्तरे रावणो जातः. मृतः हिरण्यकशिपुः जन्मान्तरे रावणो जातः. स हिरण्यकशिपुः, what is the padaswarupa?
Hiranyakashipa.
What is the padaswarupa for Hiranyakashipu?
No.
Hiranyakashipu, that is what it's a very straightforward word. It's a name of a person. So it's a Hiranyakashipu is the name of the person. The Rakshasa,
Kashipu
right?
is the name of a person.
Huh? Yeah, Hiranyakashipu is a Daitya Rakshasa, na? Hiranyakashipu.
Hiranyakashipa, I don't know that.
So you have to give the padaswara of Kashipu. Hiranyakashipu. Mrutaha Hiranyakashipu. What is the padaswarupa for that?
Matuhu, like Ukaranta.
Ah,
Ukaranta ekavachan.
Hiranyakashipu, you have to give me the padaswarupa.
Pulling Ukaranta ekavachan.
Matuhu, Matru, Vikaranta, right? Hiranyakashipu, Vikaranta. Or Pitru, Pituhu, right? Pituhu is also Ukaranta. Vikaranta
Ukaranta
Pullinga.
pullinga.
Pituhu, Pitaro, Pitaram. Pitra.
See, what is Pituhu? Pitru Shabd, right? And then it's Vikaranta Pullinga. So it starts with Pituhu, right? Pituhu, Pitaro, something like that it comes, right? So what is it? Pituhu is Rukaranta Pullinga Pratama Ekavachana. So Hiranyakashipu is Rukaranta Pullinga. So Nagapura, what is the Padaswara of Hiranyakashipu? Kashipuhu.
प्रथम विभक्ति एकवचन.
Vachanam, which anta? And which anta and which vibhakti? Prathama bhakti ekavachana, correct. Which anta? And which linga, gender?
Ukaranta?
Pitra, Tra, Rukara.
Pitru is Rukaranta, not Ukaranta. Pitru is Rukaranta, right? Pituhu.
No.
So
Okay,
Hiranyakashipu is like Pituhu, correct? So what anta? You basically gave correct answer on Vibhakti and Vachana. It's Prathama Bhakti Ekavachana.
Okay.
So you have to give the anta and the gender. Gender is Pullinga.
Pullinga.
And anta is Rukaranta.
Rukaranta.
Rukaranta, right. Okay. Janmantare Ravanaha Jataha. See, Mrutaha Hiranyakashipu Janmantare Ravano Jataha. So after a few lives, Ravana, Hiranyakashipu was reborn as Ravana. Jataha means to be reborn. Okay. So Jata means he was reborn. So Ravanaha. Okay, the Visarga gets the dropped. All right, and then Janmantare. Please give the Janmantare.
Janma plus Antare.
Janma plus Antare. Janmantare. Very simple. Meaning, I mean, the Sandhi?
Savani Dirksen.
Savani. Correct. All right, next sentence. Punarapi Janan Munin cha Pidayitum Arabdhavan. Punarapi Janan Munin cha Pidayitum Arabdhavan. Punarapi, Punaha plus Api, Punarapi. Once again, Janan, the people, Munin and the sages, Cha, people and the sages, Pidayitum Arabdhavan. So Hiranyakashipu was reborn as Ravana, and once again he started troubling people as well as the sages. That is the meaning of that sentence. Punarapi, once again. Punaha api punarapi. What is the sandhi?
Visargasya रेफा.
Okay, visargasya refa. Janan munin cha pidayitum arabdavan. So he started troubling people as well as the sages. Bhavanapi punaha dasharatasya putraha Sriramo bhutva Sitapaharakam tam hatavan. See, here also we get hatavan. Once again, it is there. Okay. Bhavanapi punaha Dasharatasya putraha Sri Ramo bhutva Sitapaharakam tam hatavan. So, what is the meaning of the sentence, Vijaya Bhagini?
Punara, so he was born and as a son of Dasharatha, and after the Sita Apaharanam, he was killed.
भवानपि पुनः दशरथस्य पुत्रः श्रीरामो भूत्वा सीतापहारकं तं हतवान् पुनः भवानपि पुनः दशरथस्य पुत्रः श्रीरामो भूत्वा सीतापहारकं तं हतवान् so भवानपि पुनः so this भवानपि who does it refer to भवान् अपि
Hiranyakashipu.
No, Vishnu.
Vishnu.
No, sorry,
Rama.
Vishnu had killed, no? Sorry.
Right, Vishnu, right. So it's referring here to Narsimha. Once again, he was born as Rama, Dasharatha's son. Okay. Bhavan api punaha Dasharathasya putraha Sri Ramo bhutva Sita paharakam tam hatavan. So tam here refers to whom?
Ravana.
Ravana, correct.
Sitapaharakam means Ravanam.
Ravana, yes. Sita paharakam tam. Sita paharakam tam. The person who actually abducted Sita, Mate. Sita paharakam tam. Okay. Hatavan. So once again, Vishnu or Narasimha became.
What is tam meaning here?
Tam means tam means him. That is Ravana. He is referring to Ravana. Tam refers to Ravana. So we can actually, when I'm saying this, you can please write it and make a note in your book so that you know who they are referring to. Tam, okay, Bhavan, and all these things, you know the references, who they are referring to. So here, Sita Paharakam Tam means one who abducted Sita. So because they have talked about Ravana in the two sentences before that, it refers to Ravana. Because Ravana, Hiranyakashipu was reborn as Ravana. And then Ravana is the one who got killed by Rama, who is also Vishnu Avatara, Narasimha Avatara, who was son of Dasharatha. And so Rama killed Ravana. That's the meaning of the sentence. Bhavanapi punaha Dasharathasya putraha Sri Ramo bhutva Sitapaharakam tam hatavan. He who took away Sita. That's what they say. Or he who abducted. Abducted means he took away. That's what it means. Yata loke nataha अन्यं वेशं धृत्वा यथा लोके नटः अन्यं वेशं धृत्वा रंगभूमिम् आगच्छति तथा स राक्षसः इदानीं शिशुपाल इति नाम्ना उत्पन्नः. Very nice sentence. यथा लोके नटः अन्यं वेशं धृत्वा रंगभूमिम् आगच्छति तथा स राक्षसः इदानीं शिशुपाल इति नाम्ना उत्पन्नः. यथा लोके नटः, just like in our day-to-day life in this world, नटः अन्यं वेशं धृत्वा, wearing a different costume and different avatar. Okay, wearing all these costumes, अन्यं वेशं, a different dress, a different makeup. Anyam vesham drutva, having worn the different thing, Rangabhumim agachati, how he comes into the stage. Here they are making a comparison. Okay, just like an actor who wears different dresses and comes as different people on the stage. That's what it means basically. Agachati.
He has not learnt anything from his previous life. Again, he became a Rakshasa.
Again became Rakshasa. That's the
more
meaning.
Fierce. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, the same person wears different dresses. He comes, but he has not learned anything from his previous experiences.
Previous life, like of Ravana.
Correct. Rangabhumim agachati tata saha rakshasa idanim Shishupala iti namna utpannaha. So now he has come back as another demon. another Rakshasa by name Shishupala. That's basically the meaning of that. Okay, now let us decline the word agachati. Vijaya Bhagini, can you decline the word agachati? What is it? First of all, agachati means, what is the meaning of that?
Bhutkal.
Will
Langlakar.
come back. Agachati means to return, come back.
To return.
So can you please decline that? You have to run.
Agachati is written. Latlakar Pradhama Purusha Ekavachan.
Ekavachan. And then give the complete form of that verb. Full form. All the three Purushas and three Vachanas and three numbers.
Agachati Patati Patata Pat. Agachati Agachataha Agachanti. Agachasi Agachata Agachata. Agachami Agachava Agachama.
Uttamam. Excellent. So Rangabhumim agachati tatasa rakshasa idanim Shishupala iti namna utpannaha. So utpannaha has been fabricated. Utpannaha has come back as another demon called Shishupala. Tasya daurjanyam asahaniyam. Tasya daurjanyam asahaniyam means his trouble. Daurjanyam means all the bad things. He's troubling people, killing people, and all that stuff, and disturbing people. So daurjanya means he's disturbing people. Basically, he's troubling all his troubles. Okay. Tasya daurjanyam asahaniyam cannot be tolerated. It could not be tolerated. It could, all his troublemaking activities like hurting people, killing people, abducting people, and all those kinds of things could not be tolerated. Okay, tasya. What is the padaswarup of tasya?
Tasya is Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachana. Tad Shabda.
Tad Shabda itself is Sarvanama, Pullinga, Shashti Ekavachana. Tasya tayoho tesham. Tasya tayoho tesham. Tasmin tayoho teshu saptami. Tasya tayoho tesham. So that is Sarvanama, Shashti Ekavachana. Tasya daurjanyam asahaniyam. Asahaniyam means could not be tolerated. Asahaniyam could not be tolerated. Janaha dukkitaha santi. Then people were very unhappy. That's very straightforward. You know that. Purvam yata bhavan rakshas samharam krutva lokopakaram krutavan. Purvam yata bhavan rakshasa samharam krutva lokopakaram krutavan. Thatha idanimapi Shishupalasya vadam karotu iti Indra Sandesham Naradaha Shravitavan. So we know Narada came with a message from Indra, the Lord Indra. And here he is saying, Purvam Yata Bhavan Rakshasa Samharam Krutva. In the past, however you destroyed or however you killed the Rakshasas, the demons, and you helped the people, Rakshasa Samharam Krutva, Lokopakaram Krutavan, and how you helped the whole world by killing the bad elements. Okay? Tatha, similarly, Idanim api, even now, Shishupalasya vadam karotu. Please kill Shishupala. Please destroy Shishupala. Iti Indra Sandesham Naradaha Shravitavan. So Narada actually conveyed the message of Indra like this. Indra's message was, please, just like you killed the demons in the past and freed people from trouble, similarly, now you please destroy or kill Shishupala and free people from all the troubles that Shishupala is giving. So that is the sentence, and this was the message conveyed by Narada. Okay. Sri Krishna Naradasya Vachanam Shrutva Tatastu Ityangi Kritavan. So Sri Krishna, he heard the message from Narada, and that message was Indra's message presented by Narada to Sri Krishna. Indra had sent a message through Narada to Sri Krishna. So Sri Krishna Naradasya Vachanam Shrutva Tatastu. He said, so be it. Ityangi Kritavan. Tatastu, he said like that, and he accepted. He accepted the request from Lord Indra to kill Shishupala, to kill the or to destroy the demon Shishupala. Santoshena Narada Maharshihi Dwaraka Nagarat Nivruttavan. So, since Narada Maharshi is a messenger, he was a messenger who brought Indra's message to Krishna, requesting that Shishupala, the demon, be killed by Krishna. And Krishna accepted the request and he said, so be it. I will destroy Shishupala. He gave the word to Narada. So Narada was happy and he returned from Dwarka. He came to Dwarka to meet Krishna and give the message of Indra to Krishna. He gave the message to Krishna. Krishna accepted the message. So Narada was happy and he returned back. It says, Santoshena Narada Maharshihi Dwaraka Nagarat Nivruttavan. Santoshena. What is the Padaswarupa?
तृतीया विभक्ति एकवचन
हाँ, Tritiya Vibhakti Ekavachana, correct? And what is the stem? Pratipadika.
Santoshena, Santoshabhyam, Santoshabhihi, no?
So correct. Santoshena, like Ramena, Ramabhyam, Ramaihi.
Ramaihi.
Santoshena,
Santoshaihi.
Santoshihi, correct. So it is Tritiya Ekavachana Pullinga, all right? Nivruttavan, what is the Padaswarupa? It is once again Tavatu. We already talked about it, right? Nivruttavan. Okay, that is he returned back. So this is the first episode. So did you understand the meaning of this paragraph? Both of you? Okay. Now let's go to the questions here. Sri Krishnam drashtum kaha agatavan.
Narada Maharshi.
Narada Maharishi. Sri Krishnam drashtum Narada Maharishi agatavan. You have to say it in full sentence. Okay. Even though Narada Maharishi is correct, but you have to give the full sentence because the question says Sri Krishnam drashtum kaha agatavan. Sri Krishnam drashtum Narada Maharishi agatavan. Okay, that's one. Second one. Naradaha kasya sandesham gृहीत्वा agatavan.
Narada Maharshihi Indrasya Sandesham Grihitva Agatavan.
Uttamam. Next, Vijaya Bhagini, you can answer this. Ravanaha Purva Janmani Kaha Asit.
Just Mahoday, I am unable to see the pages.
It's on page number 12. You have the book with you, right, Vijaya Bhagini?
No, I'm having the PDF. I didn't get it.
Oh, I see. Okay. So, Ravanaha Purva Janmani Kaha Asit. Nagaprabha Bhagini, can you try that?
Ravanaha Purva Janmani Hiranyakashipuhu Asit.
Hiranyakashipu Asit. Uttamam. Kasya Daurjanyam Asahaniyam.
Shishupalasya Daurjanyam
Asahaniyam.
Shishupalasya Daurjanyam Asahaniyam. Shishupalasya Vadat Kim Bhavishyati.
Loka Kalyanam. Shishupalasya Vadat
Lokopakaram.
Lokopakaram or Loka Kalyanam Bhavati. Correct. Lokopakaram, it helps the people. Janaha Santushtaha Bhavanti. See, if you Janaha Dukkitaha Santi, Shishupalasya Vadasya Janaha Santushtaha Bhavanti. Because they were being troubled by Shishupala. And Lokopakaram also is correct. See, Rakshasa Sammahan Bhavan Rakshasa Sammaharam Krutva Lokopakaram Krutavan Tata Lokopakaram Tata Janaha Lokopakaram Tata Janaha Santushtaha Bhavanti. It helps by destroying Shishupala, the universe will be helped because people will be happy without the troubles of Shishupala. That is the answer to that. So, Shishupalasya Vadat Kim Bhavishyati Lokopakaram Tata Loka Santosham Bhavanti, you can say. Loka Santosham means people will be happy. Right? Both. It helps the world as well as people will be happy. Now, I will ask you one or two more questions on the grammar. Yatha Tatha. What is the Padaswarupa of Yatha Tatha?
Avyayam.
Avyayam. So give me a sentence using Yatha Tatha in this paragraph. See, yata tata is nitya.
यथा
Nitya.
लोके नटः अन्यं वेषं धृत्वा रङ्गभूमिम् आगच्छति तथा स राक्षसः इदानीं शिशुपाल इति नाम्ना उत्पन्नः.
Uttamam. Uttamam. Very good. Excellent. So please mark it. You underline the word yata and tata because the nitya upayogi avyaya. That's what is called nitya upayogi. Yata tata and then yada tada, yadyapi tathapi. Okay. So those are all called nitya upayogi avyaya. So you have to, they form a group, they form a combination. Yata tata. Now, इत्यङ्गीकृतवान्. Okay, Santosheन we did, Narada Maharshi we did, Dwaraka Nagarat Nivrittawan. So we have actually done the Padaswarupa for all these things. So this is the first episode. I think in the last class we covered the second episode also. So in the next class we will start with the third episode. So and then as regarding this, I'll send some exercises. Actually, I could not send the exercises from last class. So I'm going to send a few more words for the Padaswarupas. You have to give. We have not talked about the samasas yet here. Okay, we have just talked about the Padaswarupa, that is Padacheda and Anta Linga Vibhakti for the nouns and adjectives, and also for verbs. What is the Purusha, Vachana, and the Purusha, Vachana, and the Dhatu, right? That is for the, so I am going to pick about 6 to 7 verbs from both the episodes, this one and the second one, because, and then also I'll pick 7 words and I'll send you for more practice to give the Padaswarupas. Okay. So we will end the class for today. In the next class, we'll go with the third episode. Okay. We will do the third episode. So I will do the Shanti Mantra now. ओम द्यौ शांति अंतरिक्ष शांति पृथ्वी शांति आप शांति ओषधय शांति वनस्पतय शांति विश्वे देवाः शांति ब्रह्म शांति सर्वं शांति शांतिरेव शांति सा मा शांतिरेधिः ओम शांति 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 हरि ओम तत्सत् सर्वेभ्यः नमस्कारः पुनः अग्रिम वासरे बुधवासरे मिलामः
धन्यवादः महोदय.
धन्यवादः धन्यवादः धन्यवादः